Good morning, beautiful people. How are you all today? It is a rainy day here in Fort McMurray, Alberta, Canada, and we are loving it because we need the rain. It is +6 right now, and I'm not sure if it's going to go higher. I hope it stays low because it will help the fires. And there don't seem to be much of a wind, which I'm thankful for. Everything is looking beautiful green though. So yeah, so it rained all last night, yesterday, and last night, and well, it wasn't raining I guess the whole night, but I don't know, because I was sleeping, but it's still pretty wet out around. There you go. On my way to the nurse's clinic this morning to get my leg rewrapped in the Coban bandage. It's so nice though when you see everything so nice and green. What a little bit of rain does, eh? Fort McMurray schools are all shut down this week because of the fire and where they evacuated, so they closed the schools for this week. Finished with the medical center. Now I'm on my way to work. I hope everyone has a great and wonderful day today, wherever you are, and maybe the sun is shining. If not, maybe you need the rain, just like what we do here in Fort McMurray. Always good to have some rain. So remember, wherever you are today, I hope that you go and see your moms and your dads, and love your spouses, forgive one another, love your kids, enjoy being together as a family, you know, and if you have a good friend today, reach out to that friend and say hello. And if you're out and about and you see someone that you don't know, smile and say hello. You could be the very sunshine in their day. Anyway, folks, take care. God bless, and we'll see you, God willing, in tomorrow's video. Have a great and wonderful day, people. Bye-bye.